Hi everyone, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will do the famous recipe. It will be pancake, how to make pancake and quick recipe, and how to serve them with the dressing Suzette. It's very famous in Paris. It's flambé or not, because originally this recipe it's not flambé like everyone say. It was not flambé, but for the show we will flambe them. So for this you need usual products of pancakes with flour, eggs, butter, sugar, salt and little bit of beer or little bit of baking powder. For this recipe today we will do the quick version with a blender, because many people now have blender for smoothies, for soups or whatever. So I use the recipe of this blender. We put flour, salt, vanilla sugar, baking powder, eggs, egg you can put, we used to say, you can put eggs as flour can drink eggs. There is all recipe like this. We put all together, we blend. If you have a program dessert, you put dessert. So it will start gently and after go faster. Now we melt butter in microwave, and now we put the butter and mix once again. And now dough is ready. We just let it in the room temperature, in a bowl, because it needs to rest a little bit. And more when we do it with a blender, because we little bit stress the gluten, so we need to let it relax for half an hour. It's okay, 1 hour is better, and that's all. And meanwhile we will prepare the beurre Suzette. Voilà, you see it's very smoothie, silky, let's say. There is no piece left, no rocks, no solid parts, no grumeaux in French. Not little piece of flour which is left. So we just let it here to have a rest. Now we will make the butter Suzette. So we take the butter, it needs to be room temperature, which is now not the case, so I will put it in a microwave for 10 seconds. Now it's okay. As you see. The butter, you take good mandarin. You make skin, the zest of mandarin, without taking the white part. So you must have only orange part when you do it. And not take the white part, because the white part is so bitter. Finally, what we are doing, it's called in French a beurre composé. So it's butter with something, some flavor. In this case is beurre Suzette with the flavor of mandarin. If we use juice of 2 mandarin, I will put 1.5 zest. I need to control the balance of the taste. And a bit of cuantro, a bit of alcohol of orange, with orange flavor. So cuantro, Marnier, triple sec, whatever other brand that you have. A bit like 20 milliliters, not of this, all of this. And now we mix. But this alcohol in this moment is optional. If you don't drink alcohol, don't put it. Now we bring back the butter in the bowl. And this is better if you do it the day before, the night before, because we take flavor, the taste every time is fixing in the fat. So if you do it before, it's better. And if you do it before, even you can use less flavoring. So if you will do the day before, you can put even only one zest of mandarin and half portion of alcohol. It will work the same. It's like marinade. When you do marinade and you will use very quickly after, you need to put more of spices. It's the same idea. Okay, so this is ready. Smells so nice. Now we make the juice of mandarin. If you don't have mandarin, you can use orange, but the legend say that the original Crepes Suzette is mandarin. In French restaurant, you will find whatever mandarin, orange, flambé, not flambé, but usually if they serve it in restaurant, it's flambé. We like to make sure. Okay, so the juice is okay. We can cook the crepes. The bowl where it was butter, I add some sunflower oil, and I have a mix of butter and oil now. Okay, and I put on my pan, and the only things for what I use non-stick pan, it's crepe. The only fry pan that I have, it's only for crepe. Our dough is very nice. I like this sound. It's like of silk. Now we take the pan, which must be warm. It's not warm enough. Usually many people throw away the first crepe because the pan was not enough hot, No, you will see. My fry pan starts to be a little bit old, not completely flat. The first we can help a little bit in the border. Hop, and do this way. And don't overcook your crepe when you do Suzette. The color must be like blonde, strong blonde. Second one will be better. Now, listen the noise. Okay. And just do this gest. Hop, hop, hop. 30 seconds one side. Usually, plus minus. Ah, very nice. The second one is usually better than the first one. And this one I will show you how to flip it. Hopla. It's very simple. Up. Up. It's with this part, like when you're fishing salmon. You need to practice. We changed the pan and now we use a usual pan, inox pan, stainless steel pan. We warm it. And we have the sugar. And we put a little amount of sugar like a skin. Like a little, and this we need to make caramel. Caramel that so we will melt the sugar. We will stop the cooking process with the juice. After, we will add butter. When it starts to melt and to colorate, you move, but you don't touch. Smell caramel, very nice. Up. And now we will décuire. So it stops the cooking process. Take care, it will be a lot of steam. We need to gently melt the caramel with the juice. So it takes a little time. Our sugar, our caramel is completely dissolved, so I take quite all amount of butter, Suzette. And now we mix with energy. You can use a fork, you can use a whisker. But look at this fantastic sauce. Let's try. Wow, fantastic. So now we slow down the fire. Voilà, minimum. And we start to make the crepes Suzette. So we take our fork and we put in the sauce this way. We fold 6 crepes. We have them in the pan. We heat now once again a little bit stronger in order to flambe. We take our alcohol. Be ready. Voilà. I don't know if you see it, but it's burning. Eh? Flambé gives smell, gives additional flavor of the alcohol that you put. Can be ron also, ambré, so brown ron. It can be Armagnac, can be cognac, can be. Usually it was made with fin champagne. It's a kind of cognac. Can be cuantro also, can be Grand Marnier to reinforce the taste of orange. And it's the nice of the flambé is this, as you add an additional taste of caramelized taste, we can say. Now I finished the sauce. Just before serving, I add fresh taste of, it's just some drops of mandarin juice, extra butter. Of course the sauce was there, it's still good, but this to finish the dish. It's to make it even better. And now, look this sauce. We put it on top. Wonderful. The Crepes Suzette. We can decorate with a slice of fresh mandarin, and the people can add it, the fresh, once again, the fresh juice, fresh taste, when they degustate it. Don't forget to put a like, to write comments, any comments, we take all the comments, and see you soon.